In this video, I'm going to be sharing the reason why you don't need to buy followers as a content creator who want to monetize his or her Facebook page, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Growbit Family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Grow Better. This channel will teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Mazimilian and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. Firstly, let's die that narrative that people always say that they need big followers so that when people come to their page, they will see that a lot of people are following them already and they will follow them, right? That narrative doesn't work, right? It only works for business owners, right? Because mostly when you see a product online and you want to buy that product, you go and check the page to see if people are following the page to know if the page is scam or not. But as a content creator, it doesn't work. Okay, let me say for instance, like you see a video on Facebook, are you going to go to the page to check how many followers the person have before you watch the video? No, right? When you come across a video on Facebook and the video is interesting, you are going to watch that video from beginning to the end, right? And after watching that video, you might also need to click to go and check out the profile to know if they have other content that is as sweet as that one and watch them. And when you enter that page, you are not going to go and check the followers before you watch those videos. No, you enter that page because you love a particular video, and what you are going straight is to check other video the person have to know if you are going to love those videos as well. So that's it. And if you see a video that you don't like on Facebook, you don't hesitate, you just watch it, you don't like it, you scroll up and look for the one that you like. So this actually explains that narrative doesn't work. As a content creator, your main aim is to create content that people can actually watch and enjoy and allow Facebook to distribute your video to people, and you see that people who have interest in your video are going to come and follow you. So the most important thing is creating content that is very good. You know, when you create a good content, people must surely follow you. For instance, you're new in this channel and after watching this video and you found this video very interesting, I believe you're going to subscribe to this channel, right? So this is applicable to every content creator, right? You need to make content that people will watch, and after watching it, they're going to follow you. So build your real people, right? So in this particular video, I'm going to be sharing the reason why you don't need to buy followers. Which number one is that the audience is not going to engage on your post. Have you come across many pages that has over 100,000 followers, and when they post a video, you see them getting like 10 views, 20 views, 5 views sometimes? This is because 80% of them bought followers or they bought an account that is already grown. See, let me tell you something. Most people believe that when they buy an account that already have 100,000 followers, when they start posting that they are going to be getting the same result the account is getting before. No, that particular account, they are posting something those people love, and they're following that page because of what the person was posting before, right? When you buy that page and change it to your name and start posting another different thing, those people are not going to engage on your post, right? Because they don't know you. You've already changed your name. Most of them will sometimes say, how did I even follow this page and or follow you, right? So when you buy followers, the same thing is applicable. Those people that followed you didn't follow you because they love you. They followed you because they are paid to follow you, right? You know, there are real followers, original, organic Nigerian followers, right? Those people actually are following you because in the platform that you bought the followers, they are paid a certain amount to follow you. So when they follow you, some of them actually after some days they unfollow you because they don't understand what you're doing. They don't follow you because of your content, and that's the reason why they will not engage on your content, right? So this is number one reason. So the second reason why you shouldn't buy follower is that it will make algorithm to lose trust in you, right? Algorithm is what actually help people to push their video to people, right? Algorithm push video that it believe that the video makes sense, that people will like, right? Just imagine that you have 10,000 followers, you post a video and the video is having like 5 views, right? Firstly, when algorithm come to your video, algorithm will check like how many followers you have and the way people are reacting to that video. Which if people are reacting to the video very well, algorithm will say, as people are reacting to this video, let me push it to more people so that they will get to watch. If you push it to more people and those people like the video, you push it to more people. That's how video go viral, right? So if algorithm comes to your page and you have 10,000 followers and you posted a video and the video has 5 views, algorithm first of all say if these 10,000 people, at least 100 people are not watching your video, it actually means that your video doesn't make sense. So if these people are not watching your video, there is no need for me to push it to other people to see it, because automatically algorithm believe that your video doesn't make sense. That's the reason why those people are not watching your video, right? So as you can see now, you wanted to gain people's trust, and now you are losing algorithm's trust, right? You see that it affects you more when algorithm doesn't like your content, because algorithm is the only tool that will help you to push your content, right? So it's important for you to build real people. Even if you have 5 followers, when you post a video and you get 2 views, it actually shows that your page is improving, right? Algorithm will understand that, yeah, this person have 5 followers and he got 2 views. Okay, let me push this video so that we'll get at least 5 views again, and you see you keep growing. Once people come across your video and your video makes sense, they will follow you, right? Step by step, from 1, 2, 3, 4, you will see you have like 100,000, 1 million followers. So that's how it works, right? So another reason why you shouldn't buy followers is that Facebook might deny you monetization, right? So a lot of people actually, when they create a page, they will come to me and say, yeah, I just created this page and I need followers. I want to reach the Facebook criteria. It doesn't work that way. When you just create a page, I will advise you to build your audience. At least when you build your audience to at least 3,000 followers, right? You can come to me and I will give you original follower that will help you to reach the criteria. And when you request for monetization, it will easily be monetized, because what Facebook actually does is that when they see that, okay, that 3,000, they are really engaging. When you buy followers to add them up, Facebook will not really look at you, right? It will just be like, if you have 5,000 followers and at least you are getting engagement, where you are okay, you are good to go, and they will review you and monetize you. But when you create account today and say, I don't have stress to come and start building this people, I just want to monetize and start making money instantly. It doesn't work that way, because that thing that you are running from, you're still going to face it, which takes us to the fourth reason why you don't need to buy followers. Because the first reason why you don't need to buy followers is that when you buy followers, eventually Facebook monetizes you, right? You bought 5,000 followers and Facebook monetizes you, right? You see that you will not earn enough money. That's why you hear a lot of people that say, Facebook is not paying, Facebook doesn't work. I've been monetized for over 6 months and I've not made up to even $5. Yeah, that's because you bought followers, and those followers are not watching your videos, right? You need to understand that what actually gives you money is the views that you get from your videos, right? Let me say, for instance, you're monetized and when you post video, you are just getting like 20 views. 20 views cannot give you enough money. You can post for 1 year and you won't be able to make $10, right? But when you build your audience, the people that love you, they are viewing your videos and you are growing. When you make a video, you get like 10,000 views, 20,000 views, you see that you start earning. You will be seeing a lot, you see money, and it will encourage you to even post more, to grow more people, right? To make more money, right? So when you buy followers, for instance, people that buy 5,000, a whole 5,000 followers. Imagine like a whole 5,000 followers that doesn't even know what you're doing. They are not watching your videos, and Facebook does monetize you like that. You cannot earn that money that other people are earning. It's not possible, because when you post video, your video is not going to be getting views, and without views, you are not making money. It's the views that you're making that will give you money. So finally, why you don't need to buy followers is that you are just wasting your money. I do sell followers to people, but like I said earlier, if you want to buy followers, make sure that you have built your audience to a certain stage before buying followers, right? Because when you just create a Facebook page, you don't have followers at all, you don't even have up to 100 followers, then you decide to buy 5,000 followers to get monetized, you see that you're risking your money, you are wasting your money, because either Facebook doesn't monetize you, or if they monetize you, you are not earning. Because when you spend money, your aim is to make the money back, right? When you spend a lot of money to buy followers, buy watch minutes, and at the end of the day you get monetized and you see that you are not able to make at least $5 even after 1 year, you will see that you will be discouraged. And this is the reason why a lot of people are complaining that Facebook is not paying enough, and you see that most of them actually end up quitting Facebook because of that, right? Don't lose your money. Have patience, grow your audience, grow the people that love your content, and when you get monetized, you see that you will enjoy it. A lot of people are making thousands of dollars on Facebook. A lot of people are cashing out, right? And these people that are cashing out, they didn't just come and buy followers. These people, they grow their audience from scratch. So it's important for you to grow audience. I'm sitting right here making this video. I have a platform where people buy followers, right? It's not that I'm spoiling my business, but the thing is that I like telling people the real truth, right? When you bring money for me to you want to buy followers, I love to collect your money and give you followers. But I also need to advise you that this thing you're doing, right, is not good. So when a lot of people come to me that they need followers, I actually tell them, send your page, let me see. When they send their page, I see they don't have followers, I will tell them this thing is not the thing that you're supposed to be doing right now. You're supposed to focus on creating content, build your people, build the people that love you, right? You can see in this channel, I just hit 4,000 subscribers, and as you can see, it's heading to 4,100 subscribers. This is because people love what I'm doing right here, and once after watching my video, they subscribe. I have a platform that I can actually give myself 1 million subscribers today, and it will enter. You'll be seeing 1 million subscribers on my channel, but I'm not doing that because I know that it doesn't make sense. You understand? It doesn't make sense at all. You need to build people that love you, right? So this is where I'm going to be bringing this video to an end, and I'm not going to be talking about this topic again. I've said this in several of my videos, and people are still making this mistake, and it pains me that it's people that is watching my video that are still making the same mistake, right? So I will not speak on this again. So thank you guys for watching this video from beginning to here. I really appreciate you all, and if you find this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you Mazi for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So see you guys in my next video.